floor, my brother. On the floor, my brother.
Oh, don't.
Oh, you got my photo.
Don't.
I think it's 13.
11.
That's
No,
fine.
it's not.
What is my crosshair doing?
It's not when you're that good, Bebe. It's not when you're that good.
Underscore. Please don't come with that. I'm in the open. Wait. Recoil.
You'll dust this monkey in about 2 minutes.
Alright, I'm ready. Someone said Bevy toggled.
Oh!
I need to do one more thing,
Say
Bev.
what?
1 second,
Say what?
sorry. Bind wheel
Say what?
down. Plus. Jump. Make sure this jumps on me. Oh yeah, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go. I feel like my sense is wrong too.
Is he losing?
It's just too easy.
Let's go.
He's ruining your stats.
Juan, I'm getting fucking owned. You might have to step in.
Change his cursor because that's how serious he is at this point.
What the hell?
Can jump in for it.
Wait, I have 100. Is it headshot only? I feel like it's headshot only.
To 5, you should.
Yeah, it is.
Hey-o!
Stop yapping.
Hey-o! That's what your mum said, headshot only.
Sam, you really are acoustic. Baby, we're both so bad. Okay, the no armor is criminal. I'm a criminal.
Guide your brother.
I'm a criminal. What are you laughing at? I know full well you swapped out from that AK because you can't. Whoa, the table's shaking. The table's shaking.
You're so fucking back.
Oh, it's a big jump. It's a big jump, Pep. It's a big jump. Do you want to test it out or do we keep fighting? Just jump like in the thing. I need this kill. I need it. I bet. Stop trolling now, please. I feel like if they didn't change this to headshot only without you knowing, I would have been dusted a while ago. Look at that. This guy's cheating, bro. Right. There was like a thing where you could like jump to the roof, but I really don't like that one. It's not so fun. Mama, I'm a criminal. 4 seconds into the round, Baby got the first kill. Why are you pulling that face for? Bro, Juan, you would lose to this guy.
I think you're gonna get fucked at the end. Oh, you're back.
Oh, we still have like this big jump. Can we turn this off, admin? Oh man. Look at his fucking picture, dude.
Ha!
Oh, it's back to normal. Give me the kill. Give me the 80. Oh, 68. Yeah, it's back to body.
They
It's a
switched it
T-side
around. The admin switched it. Yeah, it's a T-side map for sure. You got this.
Look at AK fucking X-rays on the phone. Ooh. Enemy spotted. Enemy spotted. Enemy spotted. Enemy spotted.
Enemy fucking down.
Enemy spotted.
Enemy fucking down.
Enemy fucking spotted, man. Oh, you hit me for 4, you fucking piece of shit.
I thought better shoots better.
I've got better headshot percent than you, Bev. I tried to distract you, it didn't work. Is it back to normal or what? Dude, before he was like doing some crazy shit when Juan was playing.
Oh my god, you're so bad, man. What?
That was a bit fucking lucky, baby, I'll be honest, boss. You know, it's really hard for me to focus when I'm just looking at my fucking Rolex and my monitor stand. My big juicy fucking Rolex.
Big man with a Rolex, wow.
Oh yeah, thanks to Sam paying me this big salary. Oh! What a live shot, baby. I've been carrying your face at last 72 hours. Sam, how about you just try acting normal for once? Challenge impossible. How about that, boss? I want to kind of try the FR. 10-8. We have a close game here. Just look how hard you're trying. You need. Oh my god, you actually need this money. I forgot. 20 bob. What's that for? Little four gifted. 5 gifted and I got you. Mama, I'm a criminal.
Nah.
We're dying, man. We're choking the lead here, fam.
Do you want me to jump in?
Do you want to face Juan from here, Bev?
Ah, you got this. You got this.
I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Look who I'm playing against.
Yes! Yes!
This guy
baby!
is literally gagging for the $100 hits, man. No, I did not say anything.
No.
Look at him, he's just hiding again. What happens if it goes 12-12? Yeah, deal. I just want to play Face It, man. Oh.
Oh, you're bad.
Oh. You fucking bastard. This mouse is fucking super
Yeah, I
shit.
told you.
Oh, I'm low. I'm low. I'm low. I'm low, baby. James, baby, hold, baby, hold. James, baby, hold, baby. James, baby, hold, baby, hold. James, baby, hold, baby. Oh, I see you. I see you. Where did he go? What the fuck?
Yeah, you see him, yeah.
He disappeared.
Yeah, you fucking see him.
You're nimble for a big lad. 50% headshot. Can you fucking hit a headshot or something? Like, come on. I'm dead. I can't hit him. I can't hit him. Man.
Give him the money already, man.
What? It's got no sounds on. Is it 13? But that's regular. It's
give him
all
the
over.
fucking
City-sided
money.
map. Let me get one. I feel like I've been set up to fail here. It's the life we live. The life I live, our favorite times.
Ah, you're bad.
I'll hit him with a good half. Can I just do a bet and just fucking camp around this box?
Yeah, I see.
It's fucking.
You can do the same, though.
I don't know. I don't have that spawn. Yeah, I know you. I made you. You do everything I taught you. You little fucking dog. When I said jump, you say how fucking high, sir.
Is that true?
What the? Oh!
Ah!
Oh! It would be so embarrassing if you lost the shot at now, right? Bebe! Jim, you're just camping right side and I fucking know it. I can smell you. I can... Peek me! Peek me!
Oh my god, another overtime, man.
Just give him $50 and we call it a draw. We just get to fucking 1k. I feel like 46% of headshots should be punished. My honest opinion. Oh, I'm dead.
You can't whip this, man.
I feel like with armor you would actually kill me though. You just get aim punch, but I think you would double headshot. If not. I feel like he's here. Yeah, I'm playing with sound. I'm that, guys. Volume 1 in game. And I heard your fucking trumpet ass fucking steps. Fucking waddling towards me. Come on, baby. I'm in the open. You're here. Walk into my bullet. Yeah. Beve. I know you're here. Oh, you are there. I heard you step. Beve, like what? How badly do you need this $100? I have shit to do today. It's a city-sided map, though. It's a city-sided map. And I'm going to T-side here. This is bad. I'm at a disadvantage here, hon. Bev, should we just go for like a 50-50 bonanza? Just keep everyone in goals. I'm shifting. Da, 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 da. This is so cringe. Go. Go Deagle.
Ah.
You wanna go Deagle right now? Let's go Deagle right now. Who wins? Who wins? You're fucking shit, mate. You're fucking shit, mate. Get out. Look at Juan Flacho, the most valuable MVP. Admin, get this fucking peasant out of my Discord, baby. I'll speak to you later. Peace out, boys. Motherfucker. Now it's time to do the fucking what we were here to do originally.
Let's fucking go, mate.
Let's bet.
Just get this guy. Just get your fucking microphone closer. You talk, I play. You give command, I play.
We're going all in.
Which one will play?
Blackjack, right?
With this one, this one? I need to see
like a real dealer. We'll do like
like this. Where's the live one?
this one. Real play. Click it. Wait. Click this one. Maybe put it to the shuffle.